We're up here at like 80, 900. And my buddy brought his mill directly to the site where the logs are being cut. So very convenient there. And so we're going to be having we'll do some videos on this mill in operation. Tomato. But for now, we're getting a little bit of firewood from his scrap. The master stacker, Alan. I think we got something on here. I think it went a little weird. There we go. He's got his tractor up here, and there's lots of big wood. I don't know if you guys remember how big some of the wood is here on the north side of Oppenheimer. But it's Engelmann spruce, Doug fir, blue spruce, white fir. There's a pretty big stick right there. In the 30, 32 inch range, coming to 32 down here. And some big sticks in the woods there that we're trying to get in to access. And the beauty about cutting some of this old wood out is there's so much fresh undergrowth here. Smaller trees just waiting. Graham's got something. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this is the Porcupine Creek here. Bone dry. This is some nice 24 inches. Oh, that's a pretty nice stick. So there's plenty of wood in here to harvest responsibly. That'll be used in structures that will last forever that we are building. That's the plan, Stan. I got a tank top on here in November at 9,000. So, big storm coming. Right here, supposed to dump 20 inches where I'm standing. So there's that. Alright, maybe we'll cut down some aspens in a bit here and get that on camera. So Alan's doing a little clearing. We're going to get rid of this dead aspen on the side of the road here. It's going to fall into the road and create a problem. So I'm just touching up my medium-sized saw here, Husky 450, and I can't say enough about this precision grinder, Model G 1012 XT. It's a guided chain sharpener called the Granberg file. And it is the standard of the industry. In the backcountry, it's easy to use. I just bring my, this is a jump pack for my truck. These jump packs will jump start any car, this little tiny thing. And you can get them for under $100. So we're running this directly off of the jump pack, which is great because you can run all kind of 12-volt stuff off that pack. For hours it'll run. You could sharpen 100 saws and then charge it up with the solar panel over, during the day. So, just a beautiful setup. If you're looking for a good backcountry setup, I recommend the Boken. I think it's in our store. And the Granberg file. They make cheaper versions of this, but this is the original. It costs about 80 or 90 bucks. I've had it for years, and it works just as the day it was new. So, stay tuned. at the tree in question, it is a dead aspen that's going to potentially fall on the road. So we want to cut it down. Now the first thing Alan did while I was sharpening the saw was to clear an area around the tree. You want to have a clear area from where you're doing your pie cut and when you're doing your back cut. You also want to have a clear escape route. So make sure that anything you could trip on, like a boulder or a rock, is out of your way. Because when you do the back cut, you want to be able to get out. Especially on a tree like this that's dead for who knows how long, and we have all these limbs that can snap off and hit me. So what you also want is a helmet. So let's do it. Now, when you're felling a tree, it takes years of experience to get a good direction, but in general, the pie cut is perpendicular to the direction you want it to fall. We want this to miss the blue spruce and stay out of the road so there's less cleanup. So that's the plan.
Perfect. Awesome. You got a hanger.
Alright, so we're done. No, we're not. We got to put the wood in. But the best way to put wood in is with one of these babies. Those are picaroons. We've done videos on them. And you just, look it down. Look at that. That's a, I don't know, a 70-pound log. They're pretty, pretty heavy. But picaroon's definitely a way to go. Really nice tree felling, right where we wanted it. Nothing on the road. So, quick, easy cleanup. We got another one hiding back here we'll get tomorrow. We'll be back up here. That's if Alan wants to come. So thanks for watching. Be safe when you're cutting down trees. And if you don't know how to cut down a tree, start small. Or try to learn from someone that thinks they know what they're doing. Subscribe to the channel. And be safe.